that cupcake delicious?
Cupcake Lolata.
What?
Cupcake delicious.
Delicious? You ate all the frosting off.
I see?
I see it. Is it your birthday?
I ate it all. See?
No, you're gonna only eat the top? That is the best part.
It's the best.
You even have icing all the way on your cheek.
This is my favorite cake.
Ever?
Huh?
Your favorite cake ever?
Yeah.
Oh. Looks pretty good. Got your milk? Alright. See you later.